The Intellectual Warfare Center presented a number of intellectual initiatives to confront extremist ideology, with several competent and interested parties benefiting from its recommendations. Inside and outside the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, the Intellectual Warfare Center has started arrangements to hold international intellectual conferences, and recently, the custodian of the two holy mosques, King Salman bin Abdulaziz, has approved for the center to hold an international conference on his gracious patronage entitled Religious and National Values in Military Doctrine. The Intellectual Warfare Center is a global destination as it has received a number of international delegations, including religious scholars, intellectuals, educators, parliamentarians, and media professionals with an interest in the center's specialization. The Intellectual Warfare Center is working to clarify a number of Islamic terms that extremism has attempted to exploit to pass on its messages, as well as correct a number of mistranslations of some text meanings, revealing the deviance in their misinterpretation. The Intellectual Warfare Center periodically holds global religious, intellectual, educational, social, and media meetings to study a number of topics in its area of interest, and works to collect and publish their research, statements, and recommendations. The Intellectual Warfare Center is world-renowned for using precise as well as highly impactful and influential language. It is considered a spearhead in confronting the details of extremist ideology and the best in its field with regards to employing its specialized content to combat the propaganda of extremist organizations. Academic theses in some universities have been dedicated towards studying the materials of the Intellectual Warfare Center. The center also made all its legal and intellectual contents available to researchers, including the holdings of its comprehensive library. The Intellectual Warfare Center participated through its materials in a number of international exhibitions and received wide acclaim, especially with its unique specialization in confronting the details of extremist ideology.